Coach pa shoutout ako next vlog mo.
Okay, bago tayo magsimula, kahit nasa labas ako, gusto ko lang bigyan ng quick shoutout yung mga tropa ko tsaka kaibigan. Shoutout sa iyo, Clint Rachel Arojado, Ren Minoa, tsaka Emmanuel Talara. Mabuhay kayo hanggat sa gusto nyo. Sana gumaling pa kayo mag-basketball. Keep on playing the game and more improvements sana sa inyo. And keep safe lagi sa buhay. Padagdag din, sana mag-ingat din kayo sa pagbabike. Antipolo soon kayo, sana. And magkita tayo soon.
Anyways, it's video time. Body healed, Warriors bound na. After spending the last season with the Philadelphia 76ers, Buddy Hield will be taking his talents to Golden State to the Bay Area to join Stephen Curry. Possibly forming the Splash Buddies. Kung Splash Brothers noon, Splash Buddies na ba ngayon? So for today's video, papag-usapan natin yung naging career ni Buddy Hield so far in the NBA, like being the 3-point contest champion back in 2020, and how can he help Golden State? Mas lalo bang lalakas yung offense nila? Especially with this unstoppable 3-point shooting. I believe he has made many 3-pointers last season. Can he help Stephen Curry more? Will they form Splash Buddies? Abangan. Splash Brothers noon, Splash Buddies na ba ngayon? Buddy Hield will be joining the Golden State Warriors on a sign and trade deal guaranteed for 2 years and $21 million. Warriors will also send to the 76ers a second round draft pick in 2031 via Dallas. Last season, Buddy Hield averaged 12.2 points in 32 regular season games with the 76ers, shooting 42.6% from the field and 38.9% from the arc. He was drafted in 2016 in the first round with the 6th overall pick by the New Orleans Pelicans. Aside from the Pelicans, he also played with the Kings, Pacers, and lastly, the 76ers. He was selected to the All-NBA Rookie First Team in 2017, won the 3-point contest in 2020, Naismith College Player of the Year in 2016, also won the John R. Wooden Award, Oscar Robertson Trophy, and Jerry West Award, all in 2016. He was also a 2-time Big 12 Player of the Year in 2015 and 2016, back-to-back. He was also a 2-time First Team All Big 12, also in 2015 and 2016, and also a Second Team All Big 12 in 2014. Throughout his college career in the University of Oklahoma, Hield averaged 17.4 points per game, 0.3 blocks per game, 1.3 steals per game, almost 2 assists per game, almost 5 rebounds per game, shooting 84% from the free throw line, shooting 39% from the 3, shooting almost 45% from the field goal, and averaging almost 32 minutes per game. Throughout his career in the NBA, he averaged 15.5 points per game, 0.3 blocks per game, 0.9 steals per game, 2.6 assists per game, 4.2 rebounds per game, shooting 86% from the free throw line, shooting 40% from the 3, 43% in the field goals, and averaging 29 minutes per game. Para sa akin, he will be a decent addition to the Warriors. Kasi mas lalong gaganda yung offense ng Warriors, and maybe he can help out Steph with his 3-point capabilities and skills. Kasi ang kailangan talaga ng Warriors para makapasok ngayon is of course defense, tapos malaki. Medyo kulang sila sa malaki ngayon, pero yung opensa okay na rin. With the absence of Klay Thompson, I think Buddy Hield can step up and become the splash buddies with Steph. Kayo, sa tingin ninyo, naging maganda bang addition para sa Golden State yung kay Buddy Hield? Will the splash buddies have a decent performance together? Will the Warriors go back to the playoffs? Paano na sa 76ers? Well, as of right now, nandun na yung Big 3, so I guess they don't have a problem that much. Pero when it comes to 3-point shooting, nawala sila kay Buddy Hield. Pero sa tingin ninyo, naging maganda ba yung addition niya? leave it down in the comment section below. So that will be very much appreciated. Pero yun na muna para sa akin, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.